Previous video, we drew the profile of the upper arm. And now let's use the circular pattern tool to draw the three holes that will hold the magnets. But before we do that, let's do one more thing to the profile. Now notice that there's a rounded fillet here. So let's go ahead and let's put that in first. So if I zoom in here a little closer, and then go up to fillet, click right there, and then we're just going to aim it on the 0.20. There we go. So now let's zoom in a little bit closer. Okay. First thing let's do, let's draw the center hole, which is 0.24. Circle, diameter is 0.24, hit return. And now before we can use the circular pattern tool, we need to draw a circle entity to copy. Okay, so let's draw our first circle, and we can see the diameter of that is going to be 0.31. Okay, so circle. Now notice I want to line this up. So if I hover over the center, go straight down, you can see that dotted line, which is indicating that the centers of those two circles will be lined up with each other. So we can just come down here anywhere, click and drag, and again the diameter is 0.31. Hit return. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to be careful that we don't get these holes too close to the edge. Okay. And so let's, with the center is about 0.43 apart. So hit D for dimension, and then I'm going to go from the center, and let's make that again like 0.43. There we go. Okay, so now we can use the circular pattern tool. So go up to create, put down this circular pattern, right? And the first thing it wants us to do is select the objects, which is going to be the circle that we're going to copy, right? And then it wants us to select the center. Click on there, on that, and again, we want 3 of them, so the quantity is going to be 3, and just say OK. And there we go. We've got our holes for our magnets.